Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Gupta and in this video I'll talk about how you can build more confidence. So guys, first and the foremost thing is to realize and to accept it that coding is not a very short-term game. It is not a subject that you can master overnight or you can learn overnight. It is not like that. It is just another subject, a different skill at once that you should master by giving a lot of time to it. Generally, it takes, if you are learning DSA, it takes 3 to 4 months to at least master and understand DSA, let alone solving problems, let alone solving harder problems. So firstly, it is important for you to realize and accept that learning and becoming good in coding, it would take time and it cannot be established or achieved in a couple of weeks time. Next is, once you have dedicated 3 to 4 months to DSA or data structures and algorithms, solved a basic, say around 200 or 300 basic problems, then go on to solve competitive programming. Go on to the sides of competitive programming and solve contests there. Initially, you should accept this that you won't be able to solve, say there are 4 questions, you won't be able to solve all the 4 questions of that contest. Firstly, in the first couple of contests, you would be able to solve first question at least, and say for next 2 to 5 contests, you would be able to solve the first 2 questions. And eventually, you will start devoting time, consistently start solving these contests. You will be able to increase the number of questions that you are able to solve. The important thing to do here is that you should be able to upsolve these contests once you have given them. That is, once you have given these contests and you were not able to solve a particular question during that contest, so you should take up that question after the contest has ended and then try to solve it. Definitely this is the best way to learn from the contests and not just by giving the contests. And the last thing and most important thing to build the confidence is to read the interview experiences of people. You would realize while reading those interview experiences, okay, this X question, I've read it somewhere and I know, okay, this can be done this way. So once you'll start reading those interview experiences, now you would realize that there are questions, the questions that you have practiced or the variations of the questions that you have practiced, they make it very easy for you to solve those questions that were asked in the actual interviews. And you will eventually realize that you can easily solve these interview questions now.
Hi there. We hope you liked our video and found it useful. We would also like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in the test, you can avail up to 100% scholarship on any course in Coding Ninjas, may it be TSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, data science, or any other course. So click in the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test. Happy learning, guys. Thank you so much.